4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's watch this fight.
Oh, did they lose my motor already? Why does he keep driving like I keep losing that drive side. Why?
Oh, he lost his nose. Oh.
Oh no, the beak.
Oh, it's a feather. Okay.
That was a feather.
I thought that was something from you. Oh, God. Oh, it's the head. Okay.
I don't think your rails are big enough though.
Daniel Freitas, eat your heart out.
Okay, 1 minute remaining. Last year.
Oh, there you go. Good save.
30 seconds.
Oh, the head went into the hatch. Oh!